Are you looking for the best Hitch Cargo Carriers? In your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best Hitch Cargo Carriers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Mockins Folding Hitch Cargo Carrier. Need to hit the road with some extra cargo space and no time to fuss? The Mockins carrier is your plug-and-play answer. 2 tray halves slide onto a center bar clamped down with 8 bolts. Thanks to clear, photo-rich instructions, we were rolling in about 20 minutes. Our favorite part: Mockins stuffs the box with accessories you typically have to buy separately: ratchet straps, a cargo net, a lockable hitch pin, a large waterproof bag, and packing cubes, though you'll want to double check which accessory bundle you select at checkout. Our extra large carrier and bag kit swallowed 7 airline carry-on size boxes 9 by 14 by 22 inches and stayed dry after the hose down portion of our water intrusion test. The downside: no swing away or tilt down feature, so you'll have to unload if you need trunk or tailgate access, though it does flip up vertically when empty. For road trip spillover, Mockins delivers fast setup, a complete kit value, and a 1-year warranty. Just remember to register it online. For all this, we named it our best value cargo carrier. Up next in the 4th place is the Yakima Swing Rack. If you're a dedicated adventurer hauling all the gear, look no further than the Yakima XO Swing Base. We used the swing base paired with Yakima's gear locker for our test, but its modular design lets you mix and match Yakima XO add-ons such as a basket, a bike rack, a camp kitchen, and even a second shelf, allowing you to swap attachments with countless iterations of adventuring gear. Assembly is straightforward. Mount the provided hitch to the swing base. The swing base itself is heavy, 66 pounds, and unbalanced, something to keep in mind, especially if you're installing it by yourself. But the balance is off by design. That imbalance facilitates the unit's ability to swing open to the right. You don't have to remove anything to gain access to your bed or cargo area. Just unclamp the swing base and swing it open. As for the gear locker, it attaches to the swing base using an intuitive cleat and knob system. Once mounted, the knobs tighten to lock down the attachment points. The gear locker itself can lock closed too, easily fitting 4 airline carry-on size boxes 9 by 14 by 22 inches with some extra room to spare on either side. You can also lock down the hitch pin. Yakima really likes locking things down, so if security is your top concern, then this is the unit for you. While the exhaust system is excellent for customizing your adventure, it does come at a cost. It's important to note that each component is a separate purchase. It's undoubtedly an investment, but Yakima backs up its products with a lifetime limited warranty, covering all regular wear and tear for the product's lifetime. So, if you're looking for a super secure, customizable, one-time purchase, this could be just what you need. The 3rd product on our list is the MaxxHaul 70107 53 inches x19. MaxxHaul's cargo carrier keeps it affordable and simple. Weighing just under 25 pounds, this steel rack is lightweight, easy to assemble, and installs quickly on your vehicle's hitch. While the welds aren't the prettiest, and our carrier didn't sit perfectly flat, it's solid enough for everyday utility. There's no folding or swivel feature, but it sits low enough for full liftgate or tailgate access when empty. With a 500-pound load capacity, basic pin and cotter pin security, and built-in reflectors, it's a no-frills solution for anyone who needs extra space on the cheap. Just don't forget to grab your own straps. Second on our list is the Hitch Mount Cargo Rack with Base Post Starter Bundle. The Chuck Bucket 2.0 is an outlier in the hitch-mounted cargo world. The product is targeted at skiers and snowboarders, and among that crowd, the Chuck Rack already has a cult following. Instead of the typical horizontal basket that flips up or swings out, This carrier stands tall and tilts back either 45 degrees or all the way flat for rear access. Our favorite perk: the vertical design takes up far less floor and garage space, and you can leave your boards or skis stored inside it between outings. Assembly, however, tested our patience. The manual is light on detail, the diagrams were unhelpful, and several parts needed convincing to line up. We'd give the build experience a D+. That said, a frustrating hour with a socket wrench shouldn't scare off dedicated snow sport folks, because once the carrier is on the car, the payoff is real, giving winter sport enthusiasts a solid alternative to clambering onto the roof after a long day of fresh powder. If you're after a general-purpose hitch basket, look elsewhere. If you're a skier or snowboarder who's tired of rooftop shuffling, the Chuck Bucket 2.0 may be the ski rack solution you're after. Finally, the top product on our list is the Ruck Rack, the Corporal Modular Cargo System. If buying from a small, US-based business is important to you, then Ruck Racks the Corporal might be up your alley. The system uses a swing-away base paired with a basket attachment, and we genuinely appreciated its attractive, powder-coated aluminum construction. The clever swivel design allows the basket to tuck away neatly when not in use. We also like the thoughtful attention to detail, such as the license plate cutout that ensures visibility when the unit is folded up. That said, the assembly process could use some serious refinement. The PDFs were missing information, and the YouTube video, while thorough, was very long. Not to mention the sheer amount of hardware you're juggling. Putting this system together will likely be frustrating for anyone who isn't naturally handy or patient. Yet, we see Ruck Rack is trying to carve a name in a large market. So if you want to support a small business and don't mind some elbow grease and head scratching, the Ruck Rack could be a promising option. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.